Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our. This story ain't loud, but it's hitting you clear. Started in silence, now everybody here. No hype in the start, no crowd, no cheer. Just feet in the chest and a vision sincere. No fast way up, no skipping the grind. Just steps in the dark with a goal in his mind. When nobody clapped, when nobody knew, he stayed locked in, did what he had to do. Late nights, long fights, pressure on repeat, doubt in the shadows, still stood on his feet. No silver spoon, no easy lane, just purpose pushing through pressure and pain. They don't see the stress, they don't see the weight, they don't see the moment he sat with his fate. When quitting felt close, when giving up called, he answered with work and refused to fall. Not for the hype, no, not for the fame, not for the spotlight, not chasing a name, not for applause, not needing the praise, just building something that outlives his days. Then something shifted. Yes, something got real. What started as vision turned something you feel. One step became 10. 10 steps became more. Now doors started opening once locked before. From quiet beginnings to making some noise. From walking alone to building with boys. 'Cause this ain't one man. Nah, this bigger than that. This loyalty deep. This where the strength at. You got those who move when the pressure gets tight. Those who stand firm when it's time for the fight. Those in the water, fearless and bold, diving through currents that freezing and cold. Those on the ground, steady and real, lifting the weight that the cameras don't feel. Those in the back, don't speak, don't boast, but carry the vision just as much as the host. No need for the fame, no need for the light. They show up in silence and still do it right. They stayed when it's hard. They stayed through the strain. They stayed through the loss. They stayed through the rain. No switching sides. No breaking the code. They stood 10 toes and carried the load. Now look at the reach. Look what it's done. From helping just one to helping a ton. Food on the table. Hope in the eyes. Turning real struggle to real life rise. Not just content, this touching the secret, this giving real help to people in need. Now, everybody watching, yeah, eyes on the wave. Some show respect, some still misbehave. Some don't understand how the growth came fast, but don't see the work that was built in the past. They question the rise, they question the name, but don't know the cost or the weight of the game. More eyes, more pressure, more weight, more talk, more reason to slip, still choosing to walk. But then they say, more voices, more noise, more doubt in the air, still standing tall, like he just don't care. 'Cause pressure don't break what purpose built strong. It proves to the doubters they've been wrong all along. Builders keep building. They don't wait for claps. They don't slow down for opinions or chats. They don't chase trends. They don't follow hype. They sharpen their craft. They level their hype. They move with intent. They move with control. They see the whole picture, not just the goal. At the core of it all, there's something you see, A heart that gives back intentionally, not fake, not forced, not done for display, but real from the soul in a powerful way. A heart that remembers what struggle can be, so it reaches back but to set others free. This bigger than videos, bigger than views, bigger than trending, of chasing what's new. This legacy forming, this deeper than fame, this something that lives long after the name. And still it ain't done. It's growing right now. Levels unlocking, they don't even know how. From small little steps to something so wide, now greatness and impact walk side by side. From nothing to something, from silence to sound, now building a force that can't be shut down. So don't get it twisted. Don't miss what you see. This ain't just about a man, this is a legacy. This ain't just a faith, this deeper than fame. This people united with one common aim. It started with one, but it didn't stay there. It grew into many who chose to care. So when you watch close, don't just look at the man. Look deeper and see something bigger at hand. A vision, a team, a purpose aligned, a force that was built through heart and through grind. This ain't just success. This is sacrifice. This ain't just growth. This is discipline. This ain't just a moment. This is a movement. This is what happens when purpose meets people who never quit. God bless Colors and his team members.